Good afternoon everyone, and are you looking for that low maintenance townhouse on the edge of a village? Well, we're just listing this particular property and several others through the same company in Barcelona, and they are basically a selection of properties which were bank repossessions, purchased by company, reformed, and paperwork are now in place. And this is one of the frontline properties. Okay, this is ADOSADO CUESTA número 5. It's right there in front of me. And basically, these are the frontline properties. Okay, so they are deemed the better ones for the views. They are slightly larger than the others, therefore the price is slightly different, but really interesting. So they are. You may have seen a number of videos, lately on similar properties, but they all have their pros and cons. They are slightly different and quirky. So there we go. I've just had the cloakroom. You walk in and you're obviously main living level, where there is a good sized kitchen. Actually, this is slightly bigger than others that I've seen. Obviously there's no units in, they're not included, but you could open this out and have more of an open plan kind of kitchen. I think that would make a big difference because there's a big enough wall there to get an L-shaped unit kind of furniture in. But yeah, it's all about, again, the pros and the cons. This one obviously has a huge view, a lot of light coming in. We are walking now onto the covered terrace, which again, it's got some nice wooden features and got some, again, good size, this one. And then you're overlooking what is the municipal pool of Alcaucin, the brand new gym that they are just about to finish, the football and tennis area and basketball. So yeah, you're kind of, that nothing can be built on this land here directly in front because of just the way it lies. But you have the village and its amenities right on the doorstep within a 2-minute walk. Now obviously your access will be through the garage, which is down below, okay, off this road here. So you got direct kind of access off the main road. You got street lighting in. There is the communal pool as well, which is really nice, and that's just a short, again, 2-minute walk away from the front door. But yes, this one is ticking a lot of boxes. So you've got double patio doors leading off your kind of lounge diner. Here we've got obviously our main living, whereby you could, normally people had the lounge area here, okay, with perhaps in the corner there with the TV, and then dining area in that space there. Okay, so it's a very similar layout per level, whereby we've got the marble staircase leading up to the main bedroom and ensuite. Slightly different is that this has a proper ensuite. So whether the smaller ones, the cheaper ones, it's like an open access. There you've got the feature porthole there. Again, good sized room, this, bigger than the smaller ones, with the proper ensuite bathroom, okay? And then you've also got sink, double glazing throughout as well, bidet, loo, and it's in not bad order. Probably it needs a little bit of work, TLC in places, but this is what the price reflects. So you've just got massive views. Look at that. Okay, so this roof here is your covered terrace down below. You got views up to Zafariah Pass there. Again, some nice details in the roof lines, and you'd have a table and chairs out here, and just taking those sunsets because you're westerly facing, or southwesterly facing, I think. Yeah, so there's a lot to take in with these. So let's now continue downstairs, where we have 2 other bedrooms and a bathroom. Okay, so there's no getting away. These do have steps. They are townhouses. There's a number of levels. So if you are kind of not so good on your feet or you're on your legs, then this is probably definitely not for you. Okay, so this is bedroom number 2. Again, impressive views, size, big covered balcony there. Look. with the archway. Big enough for table and chairs again, or recliners. And then bedroom number 3. This one's slightly more narrow, but still has that view, and it's an impressive one. So there's kind of a little storage area there. And then also we've got a shower room. Okay, sorry, there's no electric at the moment. And then downstairs is a huge garage. It's the biggest one I've seen, actually. The stairs go straight in front, just to try and give you an idea. And it goes right the way back there to the corner. So, okay guys, this is ADOSADO CUESTA CINCO. If you want further details, then please contact me directly on 0034 696 522 171. Indeed, view our website, VillaSolutions.net. Thank you.